Hi everyone, it's Susan from Bought In Paper, everything handmade paper, and I'm often asked, I've dried some flowers and I'm ready to put them in my handmade paper. I've tried it before and I didn't like the colour that my flowers that I've very carefully dried changed. It's just natural that when you dry flowers or use dried flowers, their colour will change. When they get wet again to go in the pulp, they will have that little halo of a bleeding ink appearance around them. Here on these little cards I've got cornflower, calendula and some beautiful rose petals, and you can see the little halo of each colour. The rose petals often turn to a navy little halo around them, but I love them. And you can see a bougainvillea petal here. They stay pretty much the same. Just cover them with a little veil of pulp to keep them on your paper, and there you have beautiful handmade paper. And I've even added a little touch of gold leaf on these ones. So have a little look, have a little play, and keep enjoying creating handmade paper.